Here's a couple of my lanterns from my lantern collection. This one here with the picket fence globe, that's my first daughter's first child's birthday lantern. Same month and same year it was made. The dates are on the bottom of the tanks. Then you got this one. I redid this one a little bit. It's got the amber globe, old school. Redid the tank, painted it. Now this is an original amber globe in the old school metal case. Then this one I turned into a kerosene lantern. That's why it's got that little round cup in there to hold alcohol to get it warmed up, and that thing will run off kerosene. Then you got a couple old school over here, 220s in the clamshell case. This one's in the clamshell case. Closes up. Oh, maybe I can go catch a helicopter real quick. Let's go see. There he is. Yeah, just in time. All right, just wanted to show off my lanterns a little bit, and y'all got a chopper. Prepper Tribe.